Hello and welcome. My name's Camille and I'm part of the Customer Success team here at ILX. Thank you for joining today's session where I'll take you through how you can book your official certification exam with PeopleCert. Let's get started.
Once you have redeemed your voucher, you can go straight ahead with booking your certification exam once you feel ready to do so. From the overview page on the PeopleCert website, scroll down and you will see your active voucher under My Exam section. Press the Select Your Exam Time Slot button. You should now see a button that says Open Scheduler just below Select Your Exam Slot. Press this button. You will now see the option to select your time zone and also your language preferences for the exam. At this point, I encourage you to double check all of the details are correct. You can then continue to scroll down to this calendar section where you can select your preferred date and time for your certification exam. Once you are happy with your selection, scroll down on this page and press Select. Once that has been done, you should see a confirmation screen like this which confirms you have successfully booked your certification exam. You will also receive a confirmation directly to your email from PeopleCert. Your booked certification exam can be managed within your PeopleCert account at any time. To proceed with the next steps, scroll down and press Check into your exam. This page outlines all of your exam details, including your exam content language, your proctor's language, where you will be sitting the exam, and exactly the date and time you will be taking it as well. If there are any outstanding actions required leading up to your exam, this is where you can keep track of that. Press the Check Into Exam button to provide any missing information to ensure that you are eligible to take your certification exam. Here you'll be asked to confirm some key details about your profile before proceeding. Please do ensure that your first, middle and last name matches the legal ID document that you will be presenting during your exam. Once you've done this, press Submit. You will then be taken to this page to confirm some final additional data that is needed before you can sit your certification exam. Once you have provided this information, press Confirm My Exam. You will now see this confirmation page which advises you have successfully registered for your exam. A confirmation email from PeopleCert directly will follow shortly after. Before sitting your exam, you will need to check your system compatibility and also your network stability. To do this, simply head to the My Exam section again under your overview, scroll down and press Connect to Exam. This will take you to the PeopleCert portal login page. This is where you can complete all of your system checks before sitting your certification exam, and this is also where your exam will be conducted when the time comes. To proceed, simply use your PeopleCert login details to sign in. As mentioned, before you can sit your certification exam, you will need to complete the compatibility check on the PeopleCert portal. To do this, locate your exam and press Compatibility Check. Once you press Start, the system compatibility test will start automatically. As it goes through the process, it will flag key sections to you that require your attention. For example, in my screen setup page, it has detected multiple screens. I will need to rectify this before I can proceed with the rest of my system compatibility check. Once you've gone through the process, it will redirect you automatically and you will now notice your compatibility check now has a green tick next to it. This is to say that it has been completed. Should you have any concerns or lose connection during your certification exam and need to speak with someone from PeopleCert directly, you can do this by navigating to the top right-hand side toolbar and clicking the phone icon or the message icon. This will connect you to PeopleCert support straight away. If for any reason you do need to cancel or reschedule your exam, I will show you where you can do this now. You will need to go back to the PeopleCert website and navigate to your main overview page where it shows you My Exams. From here, you can press Change Date and/or Proctor Language. This pop-up is making us aware that should you need to cancel or schedule your exam, you can do this up to 48 hours before your book date and time. PeopleCert will charge you a fee should your cancellation fall within the 48-hour window, so please do keep this in mind. To proceed with rescheduling your exam, press Open Scheduler. You will now see the same scheduler view you did previously, where you can reselect a new date and a new time that suits you and press Select. Once completed, a confirmation will appear on your screen again. You have now successfully rescheduled your exam. Thank you for watching today's session. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to explore our other tutorials. If you need any further support or have any questions, please get in touch.